Dorbar synrai jong Īing Dorbar Thawain Shillong Meghalaya kan sedang haka khasan terik bat kan kut pat haka arpo artrik nai lur arja arpulai. Ya kan ia lapin tip do lampang Īing Dorbar Thawain uthomas sangma hadian jelang business advisory committee haka laipo terik nai lar arja arpulai. Kikam ki bai dei bat sorgar lani government business onye kren haka khasan arpo bat arpo artrik Kadba ki kam ki bede bagi khot shimet ni private member business kan dei haka khat khandai bat arpuai tering Dorbar kan numdan haka khat pratering nai luar arjar fly namar ka dei ka shuti unitarian day.
The autumn session will be convened from I think 15th of September till 27th. Where we'll have three government business for 3 days and 2 days for private business. From 15th of September till 22nd. As I said earlier, there will be 2 private members for private members, motions and so many other things, and 2 for government business, 3 days for government business.
Haka wei pat kaliang ulampang ulong ba ka jingtei ya ka Īing Dorbar Thawain ba thamai ka Shillong Meghalaya ha mau diang kalaya shakhmat hadian ka jingkhalem ka jingtap tunom ha ka step ka arpar trik jumang arja arpar.
The progress is there, but I don't know whether there are some technical issues which we cannot avoid, and I see that there's some technical issues, as I said earlier, which takes time, like clearing the debris, then going for the getting the approval of the designs, the new designs. But all that have been completed now, so the work is started already. Within a year, I hope so, within a year. But I don't want to do it in a hurry, because all those incidents that happen, I don't want any kind of, because of the hasty decisions, we don't want, I don't want to risk any more incidents. So but we're going to finish it, at least within a year we should be able to do it. Provided the weather permits, because as we know, Shillong, we have all the 4 seasons in a day, so it rains anytime, the work stops. Funds are already been approved. The new revised estimate has already been approved. It has already started because we were awaiting the approval for the design structures, the foundational structures, designs which has to be vetted by both the Roorkee IIT and Guwahati IIT, which has already been vetted and approved. So the work is already started. It's slightly modified design, but it is lighter. The earlier design was weighing about, I think, if I'm not mistaken, 3,000 tons. Now it's been reduced. Yes, debris has already been cleared. The work is already started.